Do you know what does it mean ubio sam oko in Croatian? No, it doesn't mean you killed your eye, literally speaking. It means I took a quick nap. So more funny Croatian expressions. Ne pušim tu priču. It means I don't smoke that story, but it actually means I don't believe you. I'm not buying it. On prodaje maglu. He is selling fog, but it means he's talking nonsense. He's trying to fool someone. Nije žvaka za seljaka. It means chewing gum is not for a peasant. It means that something is not suitable for everyone. Pun mi je kufer. My suitcase is full. It actually means I'm fed up. Bacio sam oko. I threw an eye. It means I took a look. Dođe mi da se pojedem. I feel like eating myself. It means I'm extremely frustrated. Vidimo se.